Hello everybody, how are you? I hope you are fine. Today, I want to speak with you just in English, no Arabic. It is a good exercise. It is a good exercise. I will speak slowly, so don't worry. I will speak slowly, so don't worry. Try to listen and focus. Try to listen and focus. Okay, I will ask you some questions about yourself. I will ask you some questions about yourself. Please answer these questions in the comments. In the comments. Please answer these questions in the comments. Are you ready? Okay. Question number 1. What kind of food can you cook? What kind of food can you cook? What kind of food can you cook? Okay. Question number 2. Is English easy or difficult for you? Again, is English language easy or difficult for you? Question number 3. How many brothers do you have? How many brothers do you have? Question number 5. What do you do in your free time? What do you do in your free time? Question number 6. Why do you study English language? Why? Why do you study English language? Question number 7. What time do you get up? What time do you get up? What time do you get up? And finally, the last question. Where were you at 6 o'clock p.m. yesterday? Again. Where were you at 6 o'clock p.m. yesterday? So please write your answers in the comments below. Thank you very much. Good luck. Have fun and see you soon.